Hey everybody, I'm going to take you in the raised garden bed area, but I'm going to turn you around and show you where we're at. Alright, I'm putting the doors on today. I'll be hanging them in a little bit. But coming in, and these two beds are all tomatoes. And on the back side of this is some eggplant. And I have 4 more eggplants I'm putting in there, so there's going to be 12 eggplant in that one. And we got a ton of tomatoes. We got 40 tomatoes. There's 32 peppers, or maybe 38 peppers in here. And here we got cucumbers. And this side we got squash, or zucchini. And over here we got squash. And then here we got some watermelon. And let's see, we're gonna go back here. And I'm getting the gravel spread out here. Here we got onions, and you can see all the onions are coming up. These are white onions on this side, gold onions on this side, and we got red onions here. They're starting to come up a little bit. There's a few. In about a week, yeah, they're starting to come up. And here we got all radishes on this side. They're starting to come up, and then this side is all carrots. So there's probably 100 carrots in here, 100 radishes, or more than 100 radishes. Just put like 8 rows across. And then here we got kohlrabi, and then this side's all beets. We have all types of beets on this side. When that one gets filled, that's going to be all of this cabbage and cabbage and cauliflower. And then basically we're going to get the rest of these filled in. Here's my sweet potato bed, and all my sweet potatoes are starting to pop up. They're starting to come through. I had a couple of sweet potatoes at home, and I cut them up and threw them in here, and they're already starting to grow. And I grabbed a couple starts from Bachman's when I was there the other day, and this whole bed is going to be filled out. I have a bag of sweet potatoes coming, some seedlings I'm going to be throwing in here, and this is going to be completely full of sweet potatoes. And I don't know if we'll make all of the beds potatoes, but at least 2 or 3 of them are going to be potatoes. I have 100 seed potatoes coming of all different types. So they're red, Yukon, golds, and russets. So all different types of potatoes that are going to be grown in here. And then today is going to be peas, beans. They're all going to be planted by seed because they're very fast growing and they propagate like almost overnight. Like them radishes, they're only 3 days old and they're already about 1 inch high. But I will update you as I get further and get these beds filled and get them planted out. Have an amazing day, my friends.